How's it going? We're back. Time to see if this annealing helped any. I sure hope so. Yeah. So I guess blade shows this weekend. I don't know if I'm gonna have this video up by then, but I must say I'm a little jealous. I'll get there one day. Alright, let's get over the grinder. I got a brand new 60 on here, so it should be good. Let's see if this worked. Here I go, jumping the gun again. I guess I gotta ink it all up and mark it. I'll be back. Alright, take two. Got it up to about here, so see what we can get going. I think it's time to put a 36 grit belt on. This 60 doesn't seem to be doing nothing. Alright, 51, 60. Let's see how you do against a 36 grit. I just don't understand how it can be so hard when it's got the same, less of the same stuff than 52, 100 and all those other steels, but here we go. Woo! That was quite the feat. Even with this 36 on there. The biggest thing you gotta remember is if you're working a spot here, you can't then grab it here. I've done that a couple times. That's why you see me dip it real quick. Alright, let's get this other side done. Good Lord. Look at this. This was just sitting on my belly. Where the heck did that come from? Guess that's what I get for having a big old belly. Whew. Man. Woo. Yeah, it's because of this 14-inch wheel. This stuff's shooting right onto my belly. It's not even hitting. We have a big pile on the floor right on the other side of the bucket. I'm afraid to move the bucket out because I don't want it spilling. Man, you really just gotta lean into this stuff. I guess it's just because it's so big or whatever, but man, whew, fun times. I went a little bit over the line right there, but that doesn't matter at all. I still got way too much beef, or way enough beef, it doesn't matter. Here we go. Woo. Now, as you notice, I had to put my thumb like right here and drag it to get it to come up to here. So it wasn't really coming up, so I had to put my thumb and kind of do like a drag like that. But like I said before, you just gotta follow whatever you do on one side, you gotta follow the other side. I've always got to compensate for something. That didn't sound good, huh? Here we go. I wonder how long I'll leave that in. How much of that I'll leave in. Hold on. So I can tell this thing is going to rust instantly. I'm going to put some WD-40 on it. It was rusting while I was blending it. There we go. Now I still got a spot here. I mean, it's pre-heat treat, but I like to make it look pretty, so hold on. Look at the rust coming up with all that WD-40. Degrease this for a minute. Whew, man, look at that. Yeah. So tomorrow we'll drill these holes. Probably be about 5 seconds for you, but then we can start getting this thing heat treated. I left that pretty thick. You know, that's over an 1/8 inch thick. But I've never tried this, and with it being so big and hollow ground and all that, I don't want to take my chances. But man, you really got to lean into this 5160, even in yield. I was really surprised. Alright, see you in a little bit. Alright, so I put this on the service plate. I got another service plate that's over by the mill and stuff. And this had like a wonky side-to-side thing, so I got this old 36 belt on here. So we're just going to kiss it, make sure it's not touching. Actually, I got to put a clamp on here. That's one piece of advice. If you get one of these, get a clamp or something for over here. That way, it's a stop, see? And you can't pull the thing off because you don't want to yank it off. Alright, we always start over there. Let's get this done. Yeah, see how it's hitting up here and missing right here? That's that wobble missing right there. So we gotta bring it down so everything hits. Alright, this tracking got off for some reason. Let's see if we can get that big. But this big heavy blade is pulling that way, so here we go. There we go. Man, 13-inch thing just barely makes it. Now we gotta figure out how we're getting it off here. There we go. That's the other thing about these magnetic tables. If you try to pull it straight off, it's never gonna come. You gotta slide it or pop it like that. All right. You can see it's still got a little bit here, but I think for the most part that'll come off when we come up grits. See, he put a stop in here, so I can't go that way. All right, here we go. All right. I had to take a little bit more off, because one thing you got to be careful with, and I catch myself doing this, as you're pulling out, you start turning, which that means it's going to taper it. So I'm pulling, I get here and I turn it, it's going to cut in more. So I had to take some more off of this side to even it up. I got to remember, only feed it in before I touch. Somehow I got, you know, every once in a while I catch myself doing that. I'm halfway through the pull and I'll turn it. Which, you know, that's bad. That makes you taper. One time I am going to try to taper a tang on this, you know, bring them down into the middle. But that's for a different knife. Yeah, yeehaw. I gotta put this on the plate because it still looks like it has a little curve right here. But I can push that out. Let's go do some jimping. Alright, so here's my other plate. You've probably seen it, but it's always covered by this. Let's check this out. If I can just put my stuff away. Make sure we're clean here. Yeah, nice. Got a little bit of wiggle. Let me see if I can take that out. So, I can't fit it in like that. I gotta go catty corner, but it doesn't need much. I'll put this piece of plate steel and try to evenly so I don't just get a little divot. Tighten her all up. Just a little bit. There we go. Here we go. That's it. Alright. There we go. We got it. Nice. Now let's do some jimping. I made this jimping so if you grasp up on it, it'll be right here. And if you hold back on it, it'll be right here. So that'll be our jimping in between those two spots. Alright, let's get this on the mill. Alright, so let's we got Z-axis. We got that where we want it, so X can be, and we want to bring it back, touch it off, so Y is zeroed out. Alright. I thought running these at a slower speed was better, but now I'm starting to run these as high as I can get them. That's why on my other ones I did the 16th and I broke it because I was running it too slow. I'm going to do up and down as I feed it in slowly. Alright, here we go. Man, I haven't heard this thing be that rough before. Alright, looks like 0.6 is our number. So unlock this, unlock the wheel. 0, and I guess we will go negative. That might be good. So we'll go back to 4. 4 even. Touch off. 0, 0. Bring it out. Here we go. Alright, so I think for this 1/4-inch end mill that 2,000 was too much. I slowed it down to about 1,500. So I might even slow it down a little bit more. So let's 0, 0. Where were we going? 4, -4. I'll do one more on camera and then I like to start locking it down as I get closer. There we go. Back it off. 0, 0. Back it off. I'm going to slow it down to 1,000 on this one, see if that's any better. Alright, so it seems like 1,000 RPMs is the magic number for this. I wonder if it's really, it said carbide, so it should be. I buy cobalt too, I hope I didn't get it backwards. Premium cutting tool, carbide end. So it might be just some carbide. That's what you heard rattling. These go on both sides to keep metal off of my tables. I got one on each side. I even fit them and hollow them out. I got 2 more. Yeah, 2, maybe 3 more. So I think we'll call it on this one and I'll meet you over at the drill press. Not too bad, not too bad. It actually feels good. I thought it would just look cool, not really be that ergonomic or whatever the word is. But yeah, it actually feels real good in the hand. All I got left now is just to drill these holes, which you've seen me do 1,000 times in every video, just fill it out and mark it. I might make this lanyard hole a little bit bigger. But I'm going to do that off camera. You know, there's no reason to do it all now. We are looking, yeah, we look pretty straight. Nice and straight. Alright. So the next one, we'll get this wrapped up in the stainless steel foil for normalizing. Do at least 2 cycles. I'm wondering if, man, because I've never heard a end mill bite that much. I bet what it said for the data sheet wasn't annealing. I bet it had to be slower. I might actually buy some vermiculite to see if that works better for like the next build or something. But I don't need it now. So when we come back, you'll see the holes drilled. And then we'll wrap it in foil and get all that done. Everyone at Blade Show, I hope you had a great time and missed me. I soaked the whole weekend. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share with your friends, do all that good stuff, hit the little bell. I think I might give away these karambits. If I can get hit like 1,000 subs, I might figure out a way to do a giveaway, and it would be this karambit, one of them. Leave in the comment if you have any ideas how to do a giveaway, because the problem would be shipping international. That's my only concern, because I've had problems shipping international before. So that's about it. As always, take it easy.